My name is Jim Bailey, and I'm the president of the Broadkill Beach Preservation Association. Broadkill is one of the largest unincorporated communities in the state of Delaware. In a nutshell, the area, it's pristine. Of course, there's a lot of housing built here, but we have thousands of acres of wildlife refuge behind us. In this area, fortunately for us, there are a lot of people that are very concerned about the ecology, and they pay close attention to it. The people in those communities, we are the stewards. For the most part, everybody steps right up to the plate, accepts the responsibility, and to protect it because we know its importance. We live with it every day. Hurricanes are always a worry. Hurricane Sandy was, fortunately for us, we dodged a major bullet. There was damage, there was flooding, and the majority of the flooding came from the marsh side. And that was prior to the restoration that U.S. Fish and Wildlife did. And with this project, when we had major storms, we had no property or ecological damage because of this dune that's out there. This community is really kind of unique. Broadkill is kind of married to the marsh, and its health is very important. One is, all the wildlife, but also that acts as a buffer for flooding and absorbing floodwaters and so forth. And the island and the sprit that is Broadkill is dependent upon that marsh, and the marsh is kind of dependent upon us as well.